Hey guys, so Xiaomi is all set to shock us all. This is your live look at the Xiaomi 13 Ultra coming in from Chinese social media Weibo, and this is clearly a pocket DSLR. So last time we saw schematics and some mentions of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra in MIUI source code, but what we are seeing right now is the first real life look at the Xiaomi 13 Ultra in white leather finish, and I love how Xiaomi have done some massive changes to the design. So no sign of Photoshop I see in this image, yet it is legit near final design and can see all leather single tone finish with a bulge going from bottom to top rectangular bump, and then we have a circular camera module on top which is still thick. Now this time we have 4 cameras, Sony IMX989 1-inch main with a super wide angle telephoto and a periscope camera 50 megapixel each. So unlike the 10 megapixel zoom cameras of Samsung S23 Ultra, this one is surely gonna shoot images in high resolution. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra will run on latest 8 Gen 2 silicon based on TSMC 4nm process and is the best in class chipset we have right now. You guys saw in the battery test how in terms of power efficiency the 8 Gen 2 is on par with Apple A16 Bionic, and last time Xiaomi said that one day will surpass Apple in terms of battery life, and I hope this is it. This could be the phone setting new standards. See, the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is a similar device, got 8 Plus Gen 1 silicon which is also based on TSMC 4nm process, got same Sony IMX989 with Leica color science and lens, and can shoot amazing and fantastic images in day and night lighting condition. Yeah, it is overall a decent device, so for those who want to spend less can still get the Xiaomi 12s Ultra from the shopping cart below, cause the Xiaomi 13 Ultra will surely be expensive, but it is for those who want latest and greatest and can wait a little more. This all guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.